Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Rose here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you why can't you screenshot on Netflix. Netflix does not allow screenshot of content on its platform because their goal is to make it difficult to pirate movies and shows well. Due to privacy and other issues, Netflix does not allow for screenshot. The company's official usage policy states that you must get the permissions before showing any screenshot of their content. If there is an interesting caption, eyes capturing scenery, or a heartwarming reunion between the characters. In all of this moment, a quick screenshot can be a perfect way to preserve the raw emotion, but Netflix prevents us from taking screenshot. Because of this, still right management DRM, it is a way to protect copyright material from being copied on digital platform. So this is the reason you can't screenshot on Netflix. I hope this tutorial help you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and thanks for watching.